Hi and thanks for joining me again today. So for breakfast this morning I've got porridge, 40 grams of porridge oats, 452 calories, and I've mixed that with some almond milk, 250 mils for 38 calories. I've got a banana in there stirred through for 68 calories and 5 grams of Nutella for 27 calories. So that is my yummy breakfast this morning, and I'll catch you all later. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to eat this. So I've got a sandwich thin for 99 calories, and then 2 slices of bacon medallions for 63 calories, 50 grams of avocado, which is 86. I weighed the egg when it was raw, and that was 65 calories for, 65 grams for 85 calories. And then I've got 8 grams of Aldi's less sugar and salt ketchup, and that is 5 calories. So yeah, I burnt the edges on my thin, but it'll be fine. So yum yum. And I'm having this orange for 81 calories. Just having a walk with Daisy now. It's actually quite nice to come out, not freezing cold and not wet either. So considering it's been like -7, -9, I think today is 9 degrees. So it's nice, isn't it, Daisy? And you haven't got your coat on today. What are you sitting there for? Oh, you nearly fell. Are we going? You're sitting there thinking that the kids are coming. What's wrong? What's the matter? What are you saying? Okay then. All right. I'll get you one now. Say bye-bye then. So I'm just going to show you what I've bought. I haven't brought a massive amount because if you saw my vlog on the weekend, I'd done some shopping then. I bought a few more bits today, and then there'll be more again at the end of the week. So I'll just spin you around and show you what I've got. So I've got some of my favourite tomatoes, 0% Greek yogurt, some almond milk. Aldi's haven't been having this in for the last couple of weeks, but they had loads in today, so don't know what's going on there. Some reduced fat hummus. Quarter of a pot is 118 calories. So we got some of my favourite tomatoes, 0% Greek yogurt, some of this reduced fat hummus, which is 118 calories for a quarter of the jar, some avocados. I usually have, oh, it's very wet, I hope it's not leaking. I usually have Waitrose's red cabbage. If you can hear beeping, by the way, the batteries have gone in the smoke alarm, and I'm waiting for my husband to get home to sort it out. So I hope it doesn't annoy you. It's annoying me. But anyway, this is, what does it say? Quarter of a pack, 74 calories. So hopefully it will be as nice as Waitrose. And then I got some pigs in blankets, and that is two sausages wrapped in bacon, 87 calories. So I've got 2 packs of those, and they got the 31st of December on, so that's good. Some after eights, because you can't do Christmas without after eights. Mini marshmallows and dried cranberries, because Amber's tradition at Christmas is to make Rocky Road. So she wanted that for that. The sandwich thins, and they are 95 calories a thin. Some thick cut back bacon, wet wipes, cauliflower cheese, and a quarter of a pack is 142 calories. I love cauliflower cheese. Some almond milk. I may have already said almond milk, but if I did. 4 things of their white chocolate, because she wants this for bacon. And then apple juice, the family like that, and some Maris Piper potatoes. And in there, I also got 6 bottles of their dupe to Pepsi Max. I can't tell you how much I spent today because I can't find my receipts. So, and then over to Morrison's, that bee pin. Oh my God. These are like an addition for Christmas. And then I've got a baking block and a clover. 4 tins of Weight Watchers soup. This is only 76 calories, and I do really enjoy this. I think on Simmer World, was it half a sin? Some lettuce, a gammon joint. It's a bit piddly, not really big enough, but I'll probably have to buy another one. 4 Gavard yogurts, and they are 83 calories, or half a tin on Simmer World. Rivita cracker breads. I used to love these, and they're only 19 calories per slice. Sweets for the sweet tin. Gluten-free bread. Some doggy treats. And then I got the decaf Americano for the coffee machine. And I love this flavour. And these are 79 calories. And well worth it, I think. 2 cherries and berries. We love this. We all love that flavour. Cheese and onion and prawn cocktail crisps. I have no idea. 129 calories. And the prawn cocktail is... Does that say 100? I got... My eyesight's terrible. Oh, it's 128, 129. Some peppers. And then I got these to put by for Christmas. Per roll, 126 calories. My God, they're only tiny. Blimey. I suppose it's all right. So that's it. That's all I got. Isn't it? Yes, that is all I got. So, yeah, that's it. Anyway, I will catch you all in a bit. So for tea tonight, I've got one of these pieces of fish. And it says 240 calories, but I weighed it and it came in at 228. 100 grams of chips done in the Ninja for 192 calories. And I gotta say, I do prefer the chips done in the Actifry. Far better in the Actifry than the Ninja, but I cooked the fish and the chips in the Ninja. And then I was draining the peas off and the lid fell off the saucepan, and I ended up wasting loads of peas down the sink. So what I've got here is 24 calories and 7 calories for that dollop of ketchup. So yeah, that is my tea, and I love this fish, so I'm off to enjoy. So I'm going to have one of these now for pudding, and these are 170 calories. I've not had one before, so I'm hoping they are nice and worth the calories. They've got to be eaten today because they're today's date. So, yeah, we're going to have one of these for our pudding. Really enjoyed my tea. That fish, if you haven't had it, it's so worth it. 240 calories, but I weighed it and it was a little bit less. And I think on Simmer World, it was 5.5 sins, and it really is lovely. So I am going to eat my trifle now, and we are off to the gym in a bit. So I shall catch you later. So I have just ate 3 of these, and after eating them, I decided that I would then work out the calories. You will never believe how many calories for these 3. They're only tiny. That's literally how big it is. That one's even smaller, I think. So those 3 were 179 calories. Oh my goodness, I cannot believe it. Yes, I really enjoyed it, but you can get think Amber said you can get a Ripple for 175. So goes to show you though, doesn't it, how quickly you can get caught up, you know, wasting your calories on these Christmas chocolates. Yeah, so I could not believe how many calories were in those 3 chocolates. It's crazy, really. You know, I mean, I'd probably sit down and eat 5 or 6 of them before I was thinking about how many calories was in there. So as I said to you yesterday, I've set nutracheck now to maintenance calories up until Christmas. So I'm not going to stress about things because once I see the chart going in the red, then I get a bit stressy. So to make myself a little bit more relaxed, I've set it to maintenance just to help me and allow some treats to be brought in if I want them. And then in January, it'll be cracking on and getting on with the weight loss again. So I have actually, nearly hit the maximum calories today. Because obviously I had those chocolates. I had one of the gingerbread men that we made at the weekend, and I put that down as a Greg's, and it came in at 178 calories. I put down a skinny whip for tonight. I haven't eaten it yet, but that's what my plan is for later. You saw my tea. That was 621 calories. Saw my lunch. That was 504 calories. And then my breakfast, including my skimmed milk allowance for the day, that came in at 379. So yeah, I've got 179 calories remaining out of the maintenance calories. So what I'm unsure about on this nutracheck on when you have it combined or separate, I was talking to Gemma from Gemma Peacegood. I'm sure you all follow her. Because when you have it on, is it separate? One or the other, it gives you like the exercise calories. One of them should be less than the other. But when I put it in for either combined or separate, they're the same calories on whichever one I've put in. So, but like Gemma said, there should be a difference there. So I don't know why it's not showing me a difference. So I don't know. Because I'm a little bit concerned that the fact that 2,136 does seem quite high calories for me. Obviously, I don't need to be using those. And today, I kind of probably thought, well, they're there. I mean, I haven't stuffed my face. You can see what I've eaten. Those 3 chocolates, that was just 3 chocolates. They were just gone in like minutes. And the gingerbread man. So I haven't just sat there and like gorged on like loads of rubbish. But it's surprising how quickly the calories add up. So, yeah, so tomorrow is Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. I really hope that I can keep them down then. Oh, and also I've been to the gym and I burnt just over, I think it was 318 calories. Not that is, I mean, I'm not going to then think, oh, well, I can eat those calories, because to me, that's just like defeating the object. So, but yeah, so I burnt those calories. Yeah, so I'm going to try now and just look at the nutracheck app and think, just see that, kind of think that the numbers are actually 1,500 that I'm supposed to be, not looking at this 2,000 number, so I don't get carried away, because it's easy to get carried away. And what I'm worried about is, although it should be maintenance calories,
And with me, it probably won't be. I'll probably have a gain. So I've got to go and realize that I probably will have a small gain, but I don't want, um, like when my holiday and last Christmas, it was like one of them was £7 and one of them was £8. And I really don't want that because it's so easy for me to pull it on, but it takes a long, long time to get it off. I was watching, I don't know how to say her name. Her name is Sarah, but she goes under her name, YouTube channel is Kiaska. I'm not sure how. Kias Kiasca. Anyway, but she was saying, because she's lost a lot of weight. But she was saying how like one day off and she can gain £7. I'm exactly the same, I can just gain just like that. That meal out with Slimming World, £1 I gained, and that was just for having that meal out. So anyway, but yeah, I mean, I've enjoyed everything I've eaten today. I've got to say that tea was delicious. If you haven't tried those fish fillets, I highly recommend them. They are so, so nice. So, but yeah, I definitely don't like the chips done in the Ninja. It's got to be Active Fry. Over and over again, I say Active Fry. So I've still got my Active Fry. So next time I want chips like that, I'm going to do them in the Active Fry. So I'll have the Ninja on and the Active Fry, which I did that the other day actually. But anyway, I'm going to go because my husband is on call now for a whole week. How bad timing for him. He started it today and he finishes it next Monday. So he's on call for Christmas Day. And anyway, he has not been home yet. He left home at about 6:40 this morning and he's still not home because he's had call outs all evening. So yeah, the joys. But anyway, I'm going to go and I will catch you all tomorrow. And thank you so much for all the lovely comments on yesterday's weigh-in update. I haven't got around to replying to all of you, but I will do. But yeah, I really appreciate all your support. So thanks once again. Bye.